Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Jocelyn, aka Labria, and obviously I'm doing, not obviously, y'all didn't know that. I'm coming back to you guys with another makeup tutorial. Not really a tutorial, I don't know what you want to call it. Y'all sit and watch me do my makeup. So I'm just gonna apply this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I see beauty gurus and start smelling products. And I never smell my products. I don't know if that's a bad thing. But now before I do my brows, I always like to set my face with this e.l.f. Perfect Finish HD. Looks like this. And it comes with a little thingy. I never use it, but I'm about to use it today. Gotta do the Patrick Star, you know. Okay, so I can't find the little brush that came with this e.l.f. Black Eye Cream. I use this as a pomade because I can't. So now I'm going in with my sleek contour. What's this? Yep, cream contour kit. But I'm using this paintbrush. It looks like this. Going in, which color should I use? I want to be a baddie, so I'm like going ham with the brow highlight. So I'm going to use this color and this color. And this concealer is not full coverage. The Sleek palette, I don't know what I was thinking when I got this. I don't know, I thought it was gonna be, you know, more full coverage, but it ain't. So after I apply this, I'm just gonna let it sit before I actually blend it out. I don't always go on the top, but for my looks that I be going like full out, I do. Or if it's a special occasion, I'll go on top. Any other time, I won't really go on top. And to prevent from having like that, what is it, American Eagle? No, Hollister. That Hollister Eagle, I just go straight in the middle. I hate having a box brow. I'm not gonna box it. I'm gonna blend it out. Y'all gonna see. And then I'm just gonna blend this one out. Then when I'm done, this one should probably be done setting. So then I'm gonna blend that one out.
Yeah.
Now we ain't finished. We're gonna move on to the eyes. I'll be taking my NYX eyeshadow base. It's in the color white, or whatever color they want to call it. It's white to me. So I'm just gonna take the same concealer brush I use, and I'm just gonna apply that all over my eyes because we doing a bold look. Okay. Take my ring finger and I'm gonna just blend that out. So I'm gonna let this dry down. It's a little tacky. I'm gonna let it dry down because I don't want this to not be blendable. So now I'm going in with my Morphe 350 palette. 350M, and I know you guys are probably like tired of me using this palette. That's okay because I ordered a new palette. I ordered the Dare to Create 39A palette. I think that's what it's called, and it should be here Tuesday. And I got me some new brushes, so y'all not gonna see me using the same brushes anymore. Some I still might. So I'm going in with my Morphe 350M palette, and I'm going in with this light orange shade. And I'm going to use that as my transition color because, you know, that's just what we're going to do. I can't wait till I get my new brush set because your girl is in need of some new brushes. Like, I don't know if it's just me or do y'all makeup brushes just be disappearing. Child, Mine be disappearing on a daily. So now I'm gonna be going into this a little more burnt orange color, and I'm just gonna apply that right under my transition color. And I'm using the same exact brush. It's just a little blending brush I got from CVS. Most of the time when I do my makeup, I usually use like 1 or 2, maybe 3 brushes. You don't need all these brushes to have some good makeup. Alright, so now I'm going in with my Morphe 12P palette. And, child, I'm going in with this red. I'm going in, okay? I'm just going to place that all over the lid first. I'm actually going to go in with another brush because this has too much red product. And I don't want that to interfere with my transition color. So now I'm going back in to my Morphe 350M palette. Oh, okay. And I'm going back in with that orange. And I'm just going to really like buff it out even more. And create that transition that I wanted.
Everything around me.
I had this crazy idea. I wanted to use this. I got this from the dollar store. It's just some craft glitter, and I wanted to apply it to my eyes. I'm going to take some NYX glitter primer, place it on my finger, just want it all over in the crease. I notice I do a lot of glitter looks. But you know, who cares? Who cares? Picking up some of this and just, ooh, wow, that just made that look 100. That went 0 to 100 real quick, y'all. Love it. By the way, let me just give y'all a tip since I'm risking my life. Be careful when you're just using regular glue. Regular glitter. If it's not eye glitter, be very careful because some can get into your eyes and scratch up your eyes. But you know, I'm gonna be very careful whenever I do this. Going in with this, it looks so freaking red. Going in with this, I'm just about to pack a little bit more of that red eyeshadow on. Make sure it's nice and fiery. I'm going in with that red and black in my Morphe 12P palette. And I'm gonna take it in my corner. More red than black. Then with my crease, I'm trying to make it blend. Going in with this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter, and I'm gonna highlight my brow, and it's in the color Crown of My Canopy. I'm gonna highlight my brow. Actually, I'm gonna wet it first with this NYX matte finish spray. If I showed y'all the front of it, y'all would not be okay. Ooh, okay, sis.
Yeah.
I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Pro Glow Infallible in the color 212 Cocoa. This stuff, oh my gosh, why am I even using this? I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. I'm just going to be mixing this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn. And I'm going to mix that with a little bit of my foundation.
Everything around me.
Going in with my Real Technique sponge.
Freeze. Get the money, dollar.
Gonna take the brush and buff it out. See what I get for trying to be cute?
Dollar bill, y'all.
And I'm going to set. This is the full Beats to perfection, okay sis? Alright you guys, so I went ahead, applied my lashes, applied mascara to them, and then I went in with this eyeliner. I went on top and then I went inside of my waterline just a little bit. So now before I brush all of this stuff off, actually, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and brush it off. It's been on there for a little minute. And as I'm brushing all of this off, I'm going to take my CoverGirl Clean and Matte in the color 20. I'm going to contour or bronze my face. This is my favorite brush to do it with, and this is the e.l.f. Flawless Face Brush. Love. If you watch my channel, you already know what I'm about to do. I'm going in with my Morphe 350 M palette, and I'm going in with these 3 colors. I'm about to go back in with that blending brush and that red color from my Morphe 12P palette, and I'm going in under my eye. With my Morphe 350 M palette, and I'm going in with this bright orange shade to just brighten up my face a little bit. And I kind of take it up towards under my eye, just cause. Now I'm going in with my highlight. I already told y'all about this. Wet n Wild Crown My Canopy. And I'm going to take that same brush since I'm not using it anymore and just. I'm taking my NYX Suede lip liner, and it's in the color Mason. Wait, is that the color? About to line my lips with it. And then I'm gonna go in with this Rimmel London Coffee Bean. with this Milani Vibrant Red a more matte lip cream, and was that the color? These lipsticks, lip creams, whatever, they are drying, but for the sake of the look. Alright, now I'm just gonna spray my face with this NYX matte finish. I'm gonna fix my hair, let this dry, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all with some looks. Okay.
Pull been wet the bar, sipping on lean, that's why. All of my dish, you won't start. I told her to give me some slop. Pull up, we drop the top. My niggas, they pop a lot. Cannot fuck with us. I threw and I buy all the shots. My bitch, she looking so bad.
Alright guys, that concludes my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this lovely makeup tutorial because I put my foot in it. So if you're watching and you love this video as well, just click the thumbs up button down below and subscribe to my channel for more, because literally, like, when I see that I get new subscribers, I'm like, ooh, wait, let me make another video. If y'all want more looks, just subscribe to my channel, you know. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really love how this look came out, honestly. Anyway, so I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace